Shoot the enemies, Hulyan! Yeah!
Zombies! Attack the zombies!
Kill the zombies! Nice, so it lights up! Nice!
Yeah.
Awesome!
Yeah.
Nice, huh? O, sige, Hulyan, go outside na.
Yeah.
Kill the enemies! Bam, 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 bam. Alright, so now it's time to unbox this gun. Let's do it, Rhea. Let's do it. Woo! That's it? Oh, the stand. Alright, nothing left in the box? Alright, now for this gun, we need 6 AA batteries. That's a lot of batteries for just one toy. Nope. You're funny. Nope.
Huh?
Is it like that? Okay. Alright, my bad, my bad.
Okay, now.
What's this? Oh, the strap. Wow. Nice. Well, read the instruction, Rhea. Here. There. Read it first. Just like that? That's easy.
Yeah.
Alright, time to put batteries in here. There. Go on. 1, 2, 3. And 3 more batteries here. Three batteries here.
To unscrew?
Yeah, I believe you need that screwdriver to unscrew the screw. Unscrew the screw.
Wait.
You don't need to.
Okay.
So how many batteries? Go on. Alright, so 3 batteries here, 3 batteries here. Alright, let's try it. Woo! Yeah! What happened, Hulyan?
Look.
Huh?
See?
What?
Get inside here.
Oh, it got tangled up?
Makes two flies
It's okay,
like
I'll fix it. I'll fix
that,
it.
but I tried to pull it
I'll
up,
fix it.
but there was something blocking it.
It's alright, I'll fix it. for me, Rhea, please.
Yeah, let's see what
Fix
I
it
can
for
do
Hulyan.
with a sniper. Here. Machine gun sniper.
Yeah! Kill the zombies!
So I won't fire anymore.
What happened, Hulyan?
My gun broke, so I won't fire anymore. Gosh.
Hulyan, do you want me to put the strap or not?
No.
No? Nice, huh? Put it back. There you go. Cool. Nice. Nice. So awesome. Yeah. Nice. Woo! Kill all the enemies. Kill the zombies.